We're in the $1 Million View. We're in Weston. 3 acres of ground, lots of apple trees. Everything was done to this house. There's a storage building too. In the spring, when there's winter runoff of the snow, or during a heavy rain, there's an intermittent brook on the south boundary of your property that has survey pins. This room has a half dozen windows, and talk about view. An open archway. Most of the rooms are white, all new sheetrock. They took out the horsehair plaster and laths. Many of the rooms were 2 made into 1. Everywhere you look, you have that $1 Million View. You're in the East Grand Lake waterfront region. You're not far from down East Maine either. First floor, full bath. There's a laundry room. Second floor, half bath, has room for a shower. It has a closet. When you're not out on that open side porch that's 24 feet long, you're inside enjoying satellite. Maybe you bring your job with you and work remotely. There's high-speed internet to telecommute. 2 closets on the way to the laundry room. 200 amp electric. They replaced the furnace, put architectural shingles on the roof. They did everything to this house. It's easier to say what they didn't do. Let's trot upstairs. The front bedroom is really 2 rooms. You could have another doorway. There was one out here in the hall. It's a suite now. See what I mean? It's 2 bedrooms in 1. Wait till you see the master, or the back room. It's almost like a rec room upstairs. It's also a cathedral. All new sheetrock, new insulation, new wiring. What a view. If you had company from out of state, this would be a nice area for them to have privacy. This stairway to heaven goes to an 11 by 9, insulated but not finished attic storage. Here's another bedroom. That's your home on US Route 1 in Weston. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thanks for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate Channel.